Hello friends, this is Kareena Kapoor in the song Tareefan in the movie Veere Di Wedding, and I'm obsessed with this song and decided to do this makeup look inspired by Kareena. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Unicorn Essence first to moisturize my face. I'm going to use this as a primer as well. So I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 210. And excuse my tired face, I'm blending this with a damp makeup sponge by Real Techniques. Going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Cream Contour Palette. I'm gonna actually use the Fenty Rose Gold Elixir to make it not so dry. It's a little dry right now, so yeah, once I mix that in, I'm gonna take this shade which is the lightest shade in this palette, and I'm gonna highlight the under eye area with this. This is gonna cover my dark circles. The brush I'm using is the Sigma 4D brush. It's actually called the Sigma 4D HD brush. So I'm gonna highlight the chin, the upper lip area, nose, the bridge of the nose, and also my forehead. I'm taking that darker shade and applying it under my cheekbones, on the forehead, under the jawline. So this is gonna give me a nice sculpted face. I know it looks kind of scary right now, but I promise this is gonna blend in really well. Now I'm using the sponge again and yeah, sort of blending everything together. Now I do feel like I still need a concealer, so I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Medium. I'm gonna apply it into the eyes and use the same sponge to blend it. Using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm gonna bake the under eye area and I'm gonna leave some of that powder on there. I'm also cleaning the contour lines using the same translucent powder. Now, since I also applied the highlight shade to the eyelids, I'm gonna use that translucent powder to set my eyelid area for eyeshadow application. I'm using the medium brown shade in a Anastasia Beverly Hills brow base to basically fill in my eyebrows. I'm also trying to make them look thicker and more bushier, but I don't want to make them look too flat. Going in with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm taking the shade Eden and applying it on my eyelids. This is gonna go over the crease and around the crease area as a transition shade. Now I'm using the shade Blazing and I'm applying it just inside the crease. Now I'm taking the shade Musk and applying it just inside the crease again, but this is just gonna go in the middle of the crease and I'm just deepening that area. Once I do this, I'm gonna use the E27 brush that I used for the transition shade application, and I'm gonna just blend these really nicely. Using the shade Celestial for my lid area, I'm gonna actually spray the brush with the MAC Fix Plus so that this shade can apply better. It's better if the brush is a little damp. So I'm gonna apply it just over the lid area, and yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like that. Going in with the Sigma gel liner in Wicked. Interestingly, this gel liner is a little dry and it's actually ideal for this eyeliner because I don't want it to come out really dark and harsh. As you know, Kareena had the liner in probably maybe a lighter shade than this, which I don't have, but I'm just gonna use this to first apply this liner, wing liner, and then sort of smudge it to take out the harshness of it. Now I'm going with a line underneath the lower lash line, and this line is going to be parallel to the upper eyeliner, but it's gonna start from the middle of the eye and it's not gonna go in all the way towards the inner corner. So basically just parallel lines, and you can see how that looks. Now I'm using a thin brush to sort of smudge this liner both on the lower lash line and the upper lash line. Now I'm applying some falsies by House of Lashes and also lining my waterline with this Sigma brightening pencil. I'm gonna have the details of the products used underneath in the description box, so do check that out. I'm just applying mascara to the base of the lashes and brushing off this excess powder and also buffing in some more translucent powder. Going in with the blush, this is a Nars Torrid blush. And now it's time to highlight, and this is the AmrezY highlighter, and look how amazing it looks. So applying it to the cheekbones, to the forehead, to the chin, cupid bow, and also the bridge of the nose. Also applying some of it to the brow bone. Now I'm using my favorite lipstick, one of my favorites. This is the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Bend and Snap. This is a gorgeous shade and it's so close to what Kareena was wearing in that video. So yeah, guys, this is the completed makeup look. Again, this is from Kareena Kapoor's makeup look in the video Tareefan in that movie Veere Di Wedding. And yeah, it's an inspired look. It's not gonna be exactly the same. Obviously, the products, I don't know which ones she used. I tried to bring it as close as possible. But yeah, so this is the look. I personally love it. And if you like it, you gotta let me know in the comments below. Do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell button next to the subscribe button so you can get notifications of my new uploads every week. Now I will be leaving the details of the products used for this makeup look in the description box below, so do check that out. I will also be leaving my social media links down there so that you can follow me if you want to on Instagram and Twitter and elsewhere. And again, any questions, any suggestions, leave a comment and I'll respond to them as soon as possible. So until next time, stay fashionable, stay happy. Bye.